Yaba Daba do, Yaba Daba don't. Gabba Gabba hey, Gabapentin bow. Yaba Daba do, Yaba Daba don't. Yabba Gabba hey, Gabapentin bow. This a mumble rapper sounding like, hey, sippin' lean on my dyno bike. Hey, this a mumble rapper sounding like, hey, mix promethazine, McDonald's fries. Hey, yeah, I drive a Gucci car. Hey, it made out of Xanax bars. Blah. Give shout out to MC Lars. Hey, he don't mumble in his bars. Blah. All you rappers poppin' xans and percs. That just makes you sound even worse. You're gonna end up in the back of a hearse, unless dirt money kills you first. You sound terrible on your verse. Can't understand a single word. Versace, codeine, Xanax purse. Man, I'm gonna strangle you with an aux cord. Yo, mumble rap needs to go, but to where? I don't even know. Stringing incoherent sentences that rhyme, talking like their money in 2005, when I used to always be really high, saying stupid shit all of the time in my everyday conversations. No one ever knew what the hell I was saying. Now you can make mad money saying stuff that's dumb, like I just got Percocet glasses for my thumb. Yo, this mumble stuff's as bad as emo rap. Y'all should listen to Spaceships, that's where it's at. Yo, dirt money. Music was better in 2003.